Have a warm welcome to Whisky.com, where fine spirits meet. Today we have an extraordinary bottle, quite rare here on my cask. It's the Lagavulin Sweet Peat, 11 years of age, and appeared on the market in 2025. It's regular strength, 43%, as all the normal Lagavulins have, and it's 64.90 here at Whisky.com, and that's well below this 16 year of age, and also well below the equally aged Lagavulin in cask strength. So this should be the cheapest Lagavulin available on the market, probably. I'm not sure. The specialty of this bottle is that it's only matured in first fill ex-Bourbon casks, so you get something extra. First fill ex-Bourbon casks deliver lots of vanilla, caramel, good spiciness from the oak. And this bottling was selected for the sweetness together with the peat, or the smoke from the peat. So this is sweet peat. It's called sweet peat, and we will soon see if that's true or just a marketing blur in the taste, as all the marketing blur as quite often. Be careful in the market. Yeah. Aged 11 years, sweet peat. Sweet peat is a trademark. Oh, 2-word trademark. Exclusively first fill American oak ex-Bourbon casks. Yeah. Established 1816. So this distillery is older than the typical distilleries in the Highlands, because on the Isles, whiskey distilling was allowed and not forbidden in the Islands, as in the Highlands. Lagavulin smoke, as it should be. Very well. So it will be quite difficult to taste the first fill ex-Bourbon cask behind that big smoke. So I do have to wait a little time until I'm used to the smoke, and then I'm able to find things behind that smoke. Yeah, so first is smoke, second is smoke, third is smoke, and after that, a little sweetness showing through. Tropical fruits. Very intense smokiness. Yeah. The younger a whiskey is, the more intensity shows the peat. Because with the years and the oxidization inside the cask, because the cask has porous walls, and when the whiskey cools in winter, it sucks in the air and the fresh oxygen. Then oxidization takes place inside the cask. Then in summer, whiskey becomes warm, expands, presses the air out, and then again sucks in the fresh oxygen, and oxidization goes on. And the longer whiskey is in a cask, the more oxidization takes place. So the younger whiskey is, the more, well, peatiness, better say smokiness, is there. Yeah, maltiness shows through. Some banana, yeah. Sweet. Sweet peat. That's it. Cheers. Mm-hmm. There's a honey note in it. Yeah. Again, something sweet, There's the bonfire smoke again. Massive. Yeah. A little bit of spiciness showing through. Dark chocolate. Yeah. Vanilla. Massive cladding of my mouth. Yeah, no other whiskey behind this. Massive. A very typical Lagavulin, and a one you shouldn't miss. It's a Lagavulin as it should be, and these first fill casks deliver more in the taste, in contrast to the other Lagavulins where the smokiness, the peatiness, and other cask influences have, well, a bigger influence. Yeah, that's it for today. Catch you next time.